Hello. So, in order to get access to the SAP Integration Suite, we need to have a BTP account, which SAP provides for free for 90 days. Uh, in order to have that, you have to register, uh, which I already did. Uh, and once we register, we have to confirm our account. Let me confirm my account. I have to provide the code over here. This is just for the security. We have to accept the terms and conditions. Once we do that, it's loading our account. So for this trial account, there will be a cloud platform attached to it. So it's giving the options. So this is the closest to me. US East Virginia AWS account. It will be free too. So don't need to worry about the financial aspects. This will take some time. So once we have this account created, uh, we would need to subscribe to Integration Suite. Almost there. Okay, so this account is created now. As you can see on the AWS, it created our cloud account, which is also free. So you don't need to worry about that. So now we will go to our trial account. So we have our account over here. So as you can see, we have a global account, and under the global account, we have a sub account created uh, with the name trial. Uh, and the provider is AWS. So we click on this. So this is where we can see all services and subscriptions. So right now you can see there is some basic information already set up for me. Next we will go to the instances and subscription to see what we have. So by default, it gave me this business application studio, which actually maybe it's the default behavior, but I'm not interested in that. I can delete it. It's not gonna do anything bad to me. But environment is ready. So here in the subscription now we need to subscribe to Integration Suite. That's the product we are interested in. So we'll go and create a subscription. In the service section, we type Integration Suite. You can see it came up, and plan is trial. There's no other option over there. So we'll create this. It will take few minutes to, or maybe little less than few minutes. Once we have this ready, and actually this is ready. So since integration suite is we subscribe to it, we can go to application, and this should give us access to integration suite. So looks like we have set up the application, but we have not set up the access yet. So we have to go back. In order to give the access, we need to go to the security and users, and this is the user I'm using. So if you click on the right side, and you see what kind of role collections I have, it's just a subaccount administrator. That's the only access I have. And for in order to access integration suite, I need to have a integration provisioner access. So let's do that. So this is the integration provisioner. This will give me access to integration suite. So I will do it assign role, and I have to log out in order for my access to take effect. So let's do this. I will sign out, and to be on the safe side, I will also uh, close the browser. So I open the browser again. Let's see if we have the access now. Let me sign in again. Trial home. 12 account. So we go to the AWS. So now we need to see if we have access to our integration suite application. That's the goal of this exercise. So we can go to integration suite from here, or we can click here and we can go to here. Go to applications. And this time we were able to log in because we gave access to ourselves. So this is the integration suite application, and that's it for this session. In the next session, we will go in details for adding different capabilities and providing access to these capabilities. Take care. Bye.